Most cars don't make it past 150,000 miles. Some don't even see 100,000 before giving up. But me car? It's clocked over 600,000 miles and it's still running. No engine swap, no transmission bit. How? Because I treated it right. In this video, I'm going to share the 17 habits that took my car farther than most people drive in a lifetime. Some of these might surprise you. Some are simple, but every single one of them played a key role in keeping my car alive. If you love your car and want it to last, stick with me. I promise you'll learn something that could save you thousands. Habit number 1, I always let it warm up in the winter. I'd start the car and give it a minute or two, not because I liked wasting fuel, but because I knew cold starts are brutal on the engine. Oil needs time to circulate, especially on freezing mornings. I never revved the engine cold. Ever? That tiny act every day? It added years to my engine's life. Habit number 2, I changed oil religiously every 5,000 miles, never missed it. Full synthetic quality filter, and always check the oil valve once a week. I treated engine oil like the car's blood. You wouldn't skip a blood transfusion if you needed one, right? And here's a pro tip. I used an engine flush every 50,000. Kept everything squeaky clean inside. Habit number 3, I use top-tier fuel. Shell, Chevron, Mobil, always top-tier gas. I didn't cheap out with random off-brand fuel. Why? Detergents. Better fuel equals fewer carbon deposits, especially on injectors and valves. Habit number 4, I never ignored warning lights. If a light came on, I didn't wait for it to go away. I scanned it, found the code, and fixed the issue. Ignoring the check engine light, that's like ignoring chest pain hoping it's heartburn. Habit number 5, I kept my transmission fluid clean. Transmission failure is the second most expensive problem after engine replacement. It changed the ATF every 40,000, flushed it at 100,000. Smooth shifting equals longer life. Habit number 6, I used the parking brake every time, even on flat ground. Why? Because it takes the load off the transmission's parking pawl. Little habits like this add up. Habit number 7, I was obsessed with tire pressure every Sunday. I checked all for tires. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and wear suspension. Overinflated, bad for ride comfort and grip. Habit number 8, I did fluid checks monthly. Brake fluid, coolant, power steering, washer fluid, you name it. Catching leaks early is half the battle in long-term reliability. Habit number 9, I replaced belts and hoses on time. I didn't wait for them to snap. Timing belt at 100,000. Serpentine every 60,000. Rubber doesn't last forever, especially under the hood where heat cooks everything. Habit number 10, I cleaned the undercarriage every season. Salt is a car killer. I live where winters are harsh. Every spring, I sprayed down the undercarriage. Rust never got a chance. Habit number 11, I replaced cabin and engine air filters. A dirty air filter means a restricted engine. I changed mine every 12,000. Cabin filter too, because breathing clean air isn't optional. Habit number 12, I avoided short trips. Short trips are death by 1,000 cuts. The engine never reaches full temp. Condensation builds up. Fuel dilution happens. I'd walk to the store instead of driving 2 blocks. Habit number 13, I was gentle on the throttle. I didn't race from red lights. No hard launches. No sudden braking. I drove it like I planned to keep it forever. Because I did. Habit number 14, I flushed the cooling system. Coolant isn't just for temperature. It protects from corrosion. I flushed it every 50,000. Clean coolant equals healthy radiator and water pump. Habit number 15, I didn't overload my car. Payload matters. Extra weight stresses suspension, brakes, tires, and the drivetrain. I treated it like a car, not a moving van. Habit number 16, I kept the battery terminals clean. Corrosion on the terminals equals weak starts and electrical gremlins. Every 6 months, I cleaned them with baking soda and a brush. Habit number 17, I actually read the owner's manual. Sounds crazy, right? But most people never do. That little book tells you everything: fluid specs, maintenance intervals, even weird quirks your car has. These 17 habits didn't require a mechanic. Just care, just time, just consistency. My car made it past 600,000 miles, not because I babied it, but because I respected it. People say modern cars aren't built to last. Maybe that's true, but I believe how you treat your car matters more than the badge on the hood. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who loves their car. Drop a comment below what's your car's mileage right now. Let's see who's got the next 600,000 beast in the making. And hey, if you want to see more long-form car care stories, subscribe. I've got stories, tools, and real experiences coming your way.